Peace, y'all. Peace, peace, peace. Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to pull okay. Tongue tied. Listen, I'm about to pull collective messages. It's late at night. I think it's early AM. But we're gonna get some channel messages out for the collective, for my fuzzy babies, for my fuzzy people, okay? Listen. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see what's up. Energy. Show me clearly. Show me clearly. Show me clearly. Well, it came out in reverse. Am I doing it? Yeah. All right. That's crazy. All right, so we got committed in reverse, humility in reverse, and dimming you. We got reverence for all. So collective, I feel like you're in this type of energy where you always just be so understanding. Like, you're just so understanding, collective, my little fuzzy babies, right? And I feel like basically somebody you're dealing with is trying to dim your light, and they lack this sense of like humility and just is not as committed as you would want them to be, I guess. No, I know. Okay. Yeah, so they not as committed, and you know this. Okay? You know this. Right? So basically you are in this energy where you are needing to use your discernment about the people who are just projecting, right? Oh, my bad. I had it all wobbly. It's whatever. But yeah, where they're projecting basically, and you are using your discernment about the type of people that you have around you. The type of, are they people who uplift you, or are they people who try to bring you down? Are they people who are determined to misunderstanding you and trying to judge you and just, yeah, project onto you and all that? But I feel like you, at the end of the day, you be in this energy where you just have understanding. But right now you are being called to let go of those people who are projecting onto you and trying to dim you, right? Just you popping up and being yourself, right? Folks is trying to dim you, right? Or trying to project onto you. You are using your discernment about those projections, collective, okay? And you are seeing clearly past all of that, all right? And naming those projections and naming those people, and instead of blaming them, just naming them clearly and coming back to yourself. What's this energy, spirit? Okay. I feel like you're in this energy where you feel humiliated, because I feel like this person is in this energy. Ugh. This is giving some like really macho, toxic, masculine type energy. Like just not that, spirit. Like them gym busters or whatever. I've never even said that before, so that's new. But yeah, it's giving me that image of just like the macho, hyper masculine, toxic masculine person, just sleeping cozy at night without a care in the world to the fact that they are not committed, or the fact that they humiliated you, basically, or you feel humiliated because they don't know how to hold you. Because they don't know how to hold you in high honor. Clarify. Yeah. And it's looking like, yeah, you've been seeking like deeper intimacy, collective, with this energy right here. Deeper intimacy. And I feel like that's gonna take that's gonna take two committed people, you know, two intentional lovers. Spirit is saying that's possible. Spirit is saying this is the type of love that you have been wanting, and that's why you feel humiliated, because you want somebody that's going to love you and respect you in high honor. Just period. Okay? Yeah, this is what you've been hoping and wishing and praying for. This is what you Spirit wants you to know that you are lovable, okay? You are lovable, you are loved, and you deserve to be loved, okay? And you deserve to be in divine union. Everything's gonna be all right, okay? Just use your discernment. Use your discernment. Yeah, and trust when you feel disturbed, when you're not feeling okay, when you feel disturbed, trust that. Trust that feeling and explore that feeling. And Spirit just, so many things just flashed before me, but I just feel like this. Moving along. I can't even catch this thought if I wanted to. Okay. I guess it wasn't meant to come out, but let's see what it is. Clarify this energy, Spirit. The world. The Empress. Oh yeah, this is new cycles for you, Empress. Oh yeah, Spirit is saying you Spirit is saying you gotta speak your truth, right? And honor how you feel. And put an end into relationships that try to dim you, right? Connections that try to dim you, right? Like, not everything need. All right, that's cool. I get it. But yeah, but yes, okay. Get it out, spirit. What? So we got the Four of Wands and the King of Swords energy right here. The Ten of Cups and the Page of Coins. So it's looking like you do got a divine union in your energy though. Okay, a divine relationship, that spirit, that the divine is blessed upon you. I really wish I remembered that thought, like, we gotta, okay. Wow. Wow, you could be feeling humiliated too, or even worried about, or having dreams about people. Wow, spirit, really, people? But yeah, yo. So basically, you could be having dreams about this person that you're in love with, this Empress energy, that you're worried that if you commit to this person that you will be publicly humiliated, or you will be humiliated by others. And spirit is saying, fuck them people. Like, if you love who you love who you love. It don't make no sense to be miserable for everybody else and fake happy. Personally. And that's coming from this death and rebirth, this most recent death and rebirth. It don't make no sense to pressure yourself so much. Like, spirit is saying, slow down. Okay? Enjoy the moment. Okay? Enjoy what you're putting your energy into. Enjoy your investments, physically and energetically. These people are sick, man. Yo. Yeah, and it's so sad. Because at the end of the day, you have to recognize, collective, and accept the fact that you can only do as much as you can do, or as much as you want to do or give. You can only be yourself. You can only be who you are, right? And if the people around you aren't fucking with it, it's putting you in a position to turn away from who you are and being who you are to accept their projections over your life. But that's really crazy how I just seen that like that. And it's just like, truthfully, this is all what I'm getting right here. Truthfully, you're in your feelings, collective, because whoever this person is that you feel humiliated by, you're dreaming about being humiliated by society for loving who you really love, but whole time you're being humiliated in your karmic connection or your relationship or union, because that person is not honoring you as a union or as such a divine union should or would each other, right? And I just feel like it's a lot easier for you to stay with this person because society is saying yes, because more people around you are looking at you with yes in their eyes, or like glamour in their eyes, or and then the connection that you really want, you're afraid that society's gonna look at you like no. But if you got you a motherfucking empress, first of all, you got you a beautiful divine being. And if society is telling you no to what's in your heart, then you gotta let those people fall. And you gotta accept the fact that you will align and continuously align as you grow, as you continue to grow and put yourself out there. You will align with more people who are more in tune with you, your spirit, your soul, who you are as a person, instead of the illusions and the programming. But what this is giving me right here is you feel some type of way because you could be in your feelings because there's this masculine energy that you're dealing with, and you feel, clarify this Ten of Swords, you feel betrayed because you're confused about if they are with you for the right reasons. And Spirit is saying that you are in denial of seeing that, and you need to go within and rest, because you are in denial of seeing that this person is with you for the fact that you can provide for them financially. And I just burped, so that's a confirmation. Because you can provide for them financially, not because of, well, clarify this Ten of Swords real quick. But I'm hearing not because of like who you are or like what you need. Seven of Coins. Yeah. Yeah, you feel drained. Look, you feel like, what's his name? Fuck. I forgot his name. Why do I keep wanting to say Beamer? No, and it's not BMO either. But basically, yeah, you feel like you feel shriveled up, or like you feel drained, and you're coming into a new perspective, collective, about this situation with this person, or about their intentions, I should say. Yeah, about their intentions. Look. I feel like you feel you're in this energy. Yeah, you keep thinking about this. You're in this energy where you feel like um, walking away because you just don't feel poor. Like you don't feel fulfilled. Like you feel breadcrumbed from this person who isn't committed. All right, we're gonna pull some light messages and shadow messages. Let's do shadow messages first. Shadow messages for my fuzzy babies. Shadow messages. What's up for this energy right here? All right. We got they want to be you so bad. So you could be in a relationship where you feel like, or in a connection, or in a relationship, or whatever. Like, okay, shorty, but where you feel like y'all is competing, power tripping and shit. Stop running your mouth to people who who don't sell, like, whatchamacallit, who put you down, basically. We got an abortion or a miscarriage in the energy. False pregnancy. So somebody could have got pregnant or had an abortion or a miscarriage. Let them watch you. We got a grass was never greener over there with an Aries. Alright, let's see. What's the light messages of this collective energy right here? Ooh, I got so many on the light side. Beautiful. Okay. So we got I am creative and joyful at the bottom of the deck. So affirm I am creative and joyful. Then we got butterflies. So somebody in the energy gives you butterflies or you give them butterflies. Forgiveness, okay? Then we got a Capricorn, Leo energy, 666, which means reflection. Wake up to your spiritual truth. Take your vitamins. We got a spiritual connection on the light side, traveling and being in this energy of gratitude. Collective, I really want y'all to be in this space of gratitude. Start practicing being more being more grateful. Think about the things that you're grateful for more than the things that's going wrong or seemingly, that feel wrong. Think about the things that are good and be in gratitude. Somebody's wanting some love and affection. We got you're so silly. We got moderation. All right, so moderate. It's time to start moderating your vices. Okay, yes, collective. It's time to start moderating them. All right, and taking your little breaks so that you are not letting your vice control you, or the generational addictions that we've been healing from but have been hard, right? Moderate, okay? Moderation. You are deserving, okay? Sage the house. Love yourself enough. Visit the ocean. Clean the house. Womb healing. Getting back into womb healing. Eat your mangoes. What else? Eat your ginger. Drink some dandelion tea. Be patient with yourself. Ooh. I'm off on the shadow side of things. You could, with your womb healing, be patient with yourself, because collective, you could be healing from sexual abuse trauma, and you need to be patient with yourself. This is what you want me to say, Spirit? Is have grace for yourself, okay? Be easy on your womb. Talk to your womb, okay? And get into some womb strengthening foods and teas. I know, I just doze off. We got a divine friendship in the energy, okay? Somebody wants to date you, feeling lost without you. I'm lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? All right, so we got 1212, unity and purity, 333, divine support. Let go and let God from the things that you cannot control. Just let go and let God release control of the outcome. Just period. Genuine connection here. Get into some smoothies. We got a Libra. Get into your creative bag. All right. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. That's it. Okay? I'm lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Peace, y'all.